Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Looker Studio to Trello for board metrics, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigate to the Looker Studio website. Log into your Looker Studio account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Create button to start a new report. Next, select the Data Source option from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of available connectors. Scroll down and find the Trello connector. Click on the Trello connector to initiate the connection process. A prompt will appear asking you to sign in to your Trello account. Enter your Trello login details and grant the necessary permissions for Looker Studio. After connecting, you will see a list of your Trello boards. Select the board you wish to connect to Looker Studio. Once selected, click the Connect button at the bottom right corner of the window. You will now see a preview of your data fields from the Trello board. Review the available fields and click Add to Report when you are satisfied. Your Trello data will now be imported into Looker Studio. After the data is imported, you can start creating visualizations. Choose the type of chart or table you want to use for your board metrics. Drag and drop the desired metrics from the data panel onto your canvas. Customize the appearance of your visualizations to fit your reporting needs. If needed, add filters or date ranges to refine your data analysis. Once your dashboard is complete, click Share to allow others to view or collaborate. Utilize the export options to download your report if necessary. Your Looker Studio report is now successfully connected to Trello, displaying board metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.